Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering everything and laying a clear plan. Cardboard, sharp knife, ruler, glue, and paint. Measure a 30 by 8 centimeter base and mark engine and carriage outlines. This gives correct proportions. Once marked, score fold lines lightly so cardboard bends cleanly, then cut out shapes leaving a 3 mm seam where pieces join. Make windows and door cutouts now for accuracy. By doing these first steps, you reduce trimming later and ensure pieces align during assembly. Now you build strength and motion. Glue a second cardboard layer to the chassis to prevent sagging, clamp, or weigh while drying. Cut 4 2-centimeter wheel circles and punch-centered holes. Insert toothpicks or thin skewers as axles, then test fit so wheels spin freely but don't wobble. Construct cabin walls separately, adding a 0.5 centimeter roof overlap to lock edges. Once these elements dry, align axles into chassis slots and secure with small glue dots, making sure the train rolls straight. Finish by sanding rough edges and priming with a thin paint coat to seal cardboard. This prevents warping when water-based paints are applied. You then add details, windows, stripes, numbering, using markers, stickers, or thin card strips to create depth. Glue couplers and any decorative trim, sealing exposed seams with a thin PVA bead for durability. If the model wobbles or won't roll straight, check axle holes and sand, or insert small cardboard shims until wheels run true. That fix saves repainting and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.